Hi guys, welcome to Simple Math. Today I will teach you how to get the formula that makes the sequence, which is the formula that makes the sequence, right? To get the formula that makes the sequence, we use the formula of the previous videos, okay? And that's something I will teach you. The process is the same. We have to get the difference, and then we use the formula to see which is the formula. Yes, let's say the same thing that makes the arithmetic sequence. Okay, welcome to this video and enjoy it. All right, remember that the first step is to get the difference. The difference between these two numbers is, let me see, is 7, at 7. Yes, between this and this is at 7, and between this one and this one is at 7. Okay, so the difference is 7. So we're going to use the formula. The formula says a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus parenthesis n minus 1 times the difference. Yes? So we only have two things in the formula. We have a sub 1 and the difference. Let's substitute those values. So we have that a sub n is equal to a sub 1, in this case is minus 3, plus n, I don't know which n is, minus 1 times the difference. But the difference in this case is 7. 7. Oops, sorry. Now I'm going to use the distributive property. It means I will multiply 7 times minus 1 and 7 times n. So we have that a sub n is equal minus 3 minus 7 times n, 7 times n is 7n, and 7 times minus 1 is minus 7. Now I can combine like terms. These are the two like terms. Yes, so we have that a sub n is equal to minus 3 minus 7 equals minus 10 plus 7n. So I will organize the formula to see it in a better way. So we have that a sub n is 7n minus 10. And this is going to be the formula that makes my sequence. So I will prove that. How? I will substitute n by 1, n by 2, n by 3, n by 4, and you will see that we will obtain the numbers in the sequence. So what happens if n is equal 1? We always start in 1. Every time we want to check a sequence, we substitute n by 1, no by 0, no by 2. So we substitute by 1, okay? Just to check. So I will change n by 1 in this formula. So I will not say n, I will say 1. So we have that a sub 1, I will check, is equal to 7 times n. But what is n? 1. Yes, I will replace minus 10 to see what happens. Yes, so I have that a sub 1 equals 7 times 1, 7. 7 minus 10, as you know, is 3. So a sub 1 equals minus 3. Yes, if you see, this is what we have here. Yes, you see, minus 3. I'm not sure. Let's check what happens if n is equal to 2. So if n is equal to 2, I will substitute in the same formula. So here again, so I will check if that works for the second term. So the final answer must be 4. Yes, and that's something I'm going to check. So a sub 4 is equal to 7 times n. But what is n? 2, right? Remember, I'm doing the substitution by n by 2, okay? Minus 10. So a sub 4 is equal to 7 times 2, 14, minus 10. 14 minus 10 is 4. So a sub 4 equals 4. If you see, this one corresponds to the second term in the sequence, and so on. It means the formula that makes my arithmetic sequence possible is this one, 7n minus 10. And this is the way we get the formula and we prove that the formula works for any terms in the sequence. All right, guys, thanks for watching Simple Math, and I invite you to watch the second video about how to get the nth term of a sequence, actually an arithmetic sequence. Thanks for watching Simple Math, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.